What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this Lemax little figurine that is Strolling with the Pooch. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about this figurine, including the one thing that you should know before buying. All right, guys, so we got our entire village all set up, and the one thing that we needed was someone walking their dog. So this is the little figurine that we're talking about here, and it's a really awesome little addition to the village itself. You can see there's a little doggy. A lot of good details there. You can see how good the eyes are, mouth, nose, etc. The lady itself also really good. I'm trying to get a good focus here. Really good details on her. Lipstick kind of smeared a little bit, but the outfit and everything else, you know, looks good. White snow on the bottom here. This is probably one of my favorite things. This is actually a little piece of string. So you can see it kind of bending a little bit as I'm pushing it. This is a little piece of string, which I think is a nice little detail. But overall, yeah, this figurine is really good, really high quality. I think, you know, it's a nice addition to any village of anybody that has this sort of thing like we do. The one thing to know about this is that, you know, with any of these figurines, just like this one, storing them can kind of be tough at times. They're obviously very fragile. This one doesn't have any really fragile parts. I'd say the most fragile part is probably her arm. We haven't had any issues with it, but when you're storing, just be really careful of that and cognizant because it can break. But overall, we really like this figurine and definitely recommend it if you're considering it.